friends, welcome to the toothcorner.com videos. Are cornflakes healthy or fattening? Today let us know few facts about your favorite breakfast, its benefits with a healthy and easy recipe. Let us begin. Cornflakes are toasted flakes made from corn or maize that is often served with milk and is a low-fat meal which is quite nutritious. It is a fantastic food with vitamin A, D, iron, vitamin B6, cobalamin, magnesium and potassium. It is low in fiber compared to whole grain cereal, but you can add fruits to get enough fiber, which will help to add more nutrition to the bowl of cornflakes, and you can feel full for long. There are people who wonder whether cornflakes are healthy or fattening, and in reality, cornflakes are not the healthy food that you can have daily. Cornflakes are made from corn with the addition of malt flavoring, sugar and high fructose content that makes it exciting and tasty to eat. Cornflakes with no added sugar and flavor is a better option for healthy breakfast. Now let us see the benefits and implications of eating cornflakes. The addition of the sweet ingredients makes the food high in glycemic index, thus it is not the right food for the tending belly gene and has chances of having high blood sugar. However, the flakes have lesser protein and low fat content. As cornflakes have a visible sugar, the food can add to your weight the wrong way. There are people who add sugar or honey to the flakes to enhance the taste of the food unnecessarily. If you want to stay risk-free, you can have the food just with milk and fruits, and it will help you stay balanced and healthy. Now let us prepare a healthy cornflakes for your breakfast. Please note down the ingredients. You need unsweetened cornflakes 1 cup, almond milk 1 cup, mixed chopped fruits 1 cup and 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Now let us see the method. Add all the ingredients into a bowl and mix well. Serve immediately as breakfast. I hope the information provided will be beneficial for you, and remember to prepare the cornflakes with no additions other than milk and fruits and remain healthy. Thank you.